Hey everyone, Chase here with ShineFi, and today I'm showing you how to earn money without entering any payment details. No credit card, no free trials, no sneaky tactics. I've got a free checklist to help you get started by creating social media accounts and using proven posts I've designed to promote affiliate tools and earn commissions at zero cost. Just head to shinefi.com, grab the checklist, and join our free Discord group to access it under the Get Started tab. I'll guide you step by step on setting up posts, growing a following, and even using AI to simplify the process. For example, one affiliate link I promoted earned me over $60,000 last month with 140,000 clicks. If this sounds exciting, drop a comment, like this video, and subscribe for more tips like these. Let's get started. So let's talk about the setup. Ideally, you've already followed the instructions from the first part of this video. You should have visited shinefi.com and downloaded the free checklist. If you haven't done that yet, make sure to grab it now because we'll be going through what's inside. Now, once you've got the checklist, let me walk you through how it works. At the bottom left, you'll see the main checklist, which outlines all the steps I'm walking you through. On the left side, you'll find the list of platforms we're setting up. And on the right, there's a status column where you can mark each task as done or not done, depending on your progress. Additionally, there are affiliate links for the tools and resources you might be using. And on the far right, you'll see links to detailed tutorials. Here's how it works. I frequently do live streams where I teach these setups in detail. During those streams, I create timestamps for each tutorial so you can easily find the part you need. For example, let's say you're setting up a Gmail account. You'll need this for signing up on different social media platforms. When you click on the Gmail tutorial link, it'll take you to the exact timestamp where I cover Gmail setup. Whether it's at 14:30 or 23:50, you'll see exactly where the instructions begin. Once you've completed the Gmail setup, you can mark it as done and move on to the next platform like Discord. For Discord, you'll follow a similar process. Watch the first part of the tutorial linked in the checklist, mark it as complete, then proceed to part 2 and do the same. The goal is to go step by step through the checklist, completing each task as you go. I'm continually updating the checklist with new tutorials and resources to help you leverage these platforms effectively. I've been doing this for nearly 10 years now, and over that time, I've discovered countless ways to leverage social media platforms completely for free. No spending, no complicated strategies. Today, I'm going to show you how to create simple, effective posts that can generate results. Now, just to give you some context, I started on YouTube about 8 years ago. Over the years, I've learned what works and what doesn't. Most of my success has come from organic strategies, using free methods to build a presence and make money online. I've dabbled in paid advertising, like Google ads and Facebook ads, but overall, I've found that organic methods tend to be the most effective, especially for beginners. The best part is, you can start right now without spending any money. Just set up your accounts and get going. I've seen people apply the strategies I'm sharing today and make money within a few days, literally by joining Facebook groups and engaging with people there. If you haven't already, check out my earlier tutorials, especially the ones on setting up email and Discord. These are essential steps because they set the foundation for platforms like Facebook, where you'll be joining groups and interacting with others. Now, I recommend this order of setup because platforms like YouTube can be more challenging for beginners. Unlike Facebook or other social platforms, YouTube doesn't let you directly add or message people, and creating videos can feel intimidating, especially when you're just starting out. But don't worry, YouTube is a skill you can develop. When I started, I struggled a lot with making videos. If you look back at my early content, it's clear how uncomfortable I was on camera. Over time, though, I improved, and you can too. A great example is Mark, a member of our Discord community. Just a couple of weeks ago, he started a 30-day video challenge. He committed to posting videos daily, and while some get 50 to 80 views, it's all about building consistency and improving over time. Another member, Alex Kenny, started just 2 months ago, and he already has 1,000 subscribers simply by posting consistently. Now, while platforms like Facebook or Instagram might help you make money faster, YouTube is a long-term game. It's about building a following, an email list, or even a community. Over time, these assets will make it much easier to generate income. One effective strategy is repurposing your content across multiple platforms. For instance, if you create a video for YouTube, you can break it into smaller pieces for Instagram or TikTok. This way, you maximize your reach without extra effort. And here's the best part. Many tools can help you automate and streamline these processes. For example, I use a tool called High Level to build and manage my email list. When someone signs up for a free trial through my link, I get credited if they eventually subscribe. This means you can make money by offering free trials for helpful tools. I've done this with multiple tools, and one of them now pays me over $10,000 a month, just from people signing up for free trials. And no, you don't need to pay for these tools up front. You can promote them for free, and if you earn money, you can decide to invest in them later to grow faster. Of course, if you have a little extra money to invest, getting tools like email list builders or landing page creators can accelerate your progress. But it's not mandatory. You can start with absolutely zero upfront costs and still succeed. All right, let me walk you through the steps. Step 0. Go to Shinify.com and grab the checklist. This will guide you through the process. Step 1. Set up your profiles. Start by creating a Gmail account and a Discord account. Discord is super important because joining a group keeps you accountable. Here's the thing. Most people fail because they lose accountability. They start, take some action, and then disappear. But when you're part of a group, it's different. People notice if you're missing, and that keeps you engaged. On Discord, there's a feature called levels. The more you interact, posting, commenting, the higher your level. For example, we've got people like Mark and Logan who are super active. Not only do they get recognized in the group, but they're also much more likely to stick around and succeed because they're holding themselves accountable. Step 2. Post your wins daily. Even small actions, like setting up a profile or completing a checklist task, count. Use the hashtag #dailywin to share your progress. We're even running giveaways, so just by participating, you could win prizes. Now let's talk about Facebook. Once you create your profile, you can start sharing affiliate links and potentially make money the same day. I've rarely seen people earn within 24 hours on YouTube, but on Facebook, totally possible. Other platforms like Instagram and YouTube are valuable too. But if you're hesitant about video content, don't rely on AI avatars. They rarely work well. Instead, focus on creating content people genuinely want to see. On Facebook, you don't even need video. Text-based posts can work incredibly well. Start with that, and you'll see results. Let me give you a clear example here. When using Facebook, one big mistake people make is creating a Facebook page instead of using a personal profile. Here's the problem. Facebook pages can't add friends or directly engage with people the way personal profiles can. If you're starting from scratch, building a page with no following is much harder. Step 1. Start with a personal profile. Use it to build a network of friends and connections. When people interact with your posts, it boosts engagement, which will later help drive traffic to your affiliate links, services, or products. Step 2. Focus on groups. Whether it's Facebook groups, Discord, or Telegram, groups are ideal for building connections because they're full of like-minded people. You don't need a big following to get started. For example, if I search for a group like Go High Level, I'll find one with 93,000 members. Inside these groups, people post questions, share wins, and even promote themselves, like this post with 60 likes and 65 comments. But here's the key. Don't blatantly promote yourself. Posting links or directly advertising can get you banned. Instead, offer value. For example, post a testimonial or review that positively highlights the group or its tools. Something like, just used tool service to land a $1,000 client. If you're not in this group, you're missing out. This kind of post promotes the group while making you visible. People will naturally follow and message you, and you'll start building your audience. Step 3. Use engagement bait. Look for posts in the group that generate high engagement, like this one. We're removing people from the group who aren't engaging. If you'd like to stay, interact with this post. This simple text post reached 89,000 people. Why? Because it encouraged interaction. Use AI tools to replicate these strategies and create your own engaging posts. Step 4. Build connections. Comment on posts, like them, and add people as friends. Once they accept, they'll see your personal posts. As you grow your network, Facebook's algorithm will show your posts to more people. Step 5. After building engagement with several posts, you can strategically share something like, "Hey everyone, I just launched this new tool for training. Check it out here." Because you've already established trust and engagement, your audience is much more likely to respond positively. To summarize, start with your personal profile, engage in groups, add value, and build connections. It's all about consistency and providing value before pitching anything. If you'd like a deeper dive into specific tactics for hacking Facebook engagement, let me know, and I'll share more tips. So let's talk about how to get started with affiliate marketing, even if you don't have a budget. Many tools and platforms offer affiliate programs that allow you to earn commissions by promoting their services. Go to the website of the tool or platform you want to promote, like High Level, Radar, or others. Scroll to the bottom and look for the affiliate program link. For example, on High Level, you can become an affiliate for free. Just click Become an Affiliate, sign up, and you'll get access to your unique affiliate link. If you use my link to sign up for High Level, you'll get a special bonus, a complete download of my funnel, emails, and more to get you started quickly. Some programs require you to have a following or an email list, but others, like High Level, let anyone join. Look for programs with fewer restrictions if you're starting out. If you're not ready to promote affiliate links, you can start by offering services. For example, help others set up tools like AI avatars using platforms like Replicate. Charge a fee, e.g. $100 to $200, to set up these services for clients. You can find clients by messaging people on platforms like Facebook and showing them the value of what you're offering. To drive traffic to your affiliate links or services, spend time daily interacting on Facebook, Instagram, or YouTube. Join groups, comment on posts, and engage with people. Focus on creating engaging content. Viral posts often include controversial or thought-provoking topics that spark discussions. If you prefer not to engage personally, hire a virtual assistant for as little as $2 to $4 per hour. They can handle interactions on your behalf, helping you grow your presence while you focus on creating content. Once you have your affiliate link, share it through your content. If someone signs up for a trial and later converts to a paying customer, you earn a recurring commission. For example, with High Level, you can earn 40% recurring commissions, meaning 100 customers on their $97 per month plan could bring you $3,880 per month. Success on social media isn't about reinventing the wheel. It's about finding what works and repeating it. Analyze posts with high engagement and recreate them with slight variations. You can even use tools like GPT to generate multiple versions of successful posts. Use GPT or similar tools to optimize your posts. For example, you can ask it to rewrite an engaging post or create fresh variations. Engage daily, post regularly, and track what works. Over time, your content will attract more views, interactions, and leads. You don't need money, credit cards, or trials to start affiliate marketing. Leverage free tools, create engaging content, and focus on building relationships. As you grow, you can scale your efforts by investing in tools, hiring VAs, or expanding into more platforms. If you have questions or need guidance, drop a comment. We'll see you in the next one till we do happy money making. See you guys, bye.